In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the animated map, but then also maybe learn some insights from that. So we'll go ahead and we'll just go to a place called Colorado. So that's a state here, and so just kind of use Colorado as an example of one of your countries. Went ahead and I zoomed into my particular area. You could also search for it there. And I have my different layers over here. So if I click off that, that's precipitation. So you can see the terrain. So you can see very rugged on one side of the state and very flat on the other. All right, cool. And so now let's go ahead and we'll filter in. We'll add in the layer on top of that that shows precipitation. Down here at the bottom this is precipitation for a particular day. So what we're going to do is you're going to be using insights from real, actual days. So these are real, actual days that most of your life has taken place during. And so this is from May 31st, 2000. And I go ahead and I push that button there and I push play. It's going to go throughout all the various months, eventually getting to 2021. So I can see some particular patterns here. I see over time certain months where it's dry, certain areas where it's more likely to be wet, other areas where it's more likely to be dry in Colorado. So as you push play, just kind of sit back and watch and make observations. Okay, where am I noting the majority amount of precipitation occurring? What particular months? What particular areas? Or am I more likely to see precipitation, or the opposite of that, the lack of precipitation, dryness or aridity? Another tool to use in your observations is this particular video here, which is data visualization cycles through the monthly precipitation rates. So this is going to look at kind of the average precipitation, where that was looking at one particular day over the course of many different years and months. Here we're just going to look at the averages for each of the months of the year. And so what I suggest doing with this one is kind of finding your location, your particular country, and then just kind of see the particular patterns. Is there certain times of year where the rain belt is above your country, and other times of year where it's below, or north or south, or east or west, what have you? And I believe you can download the actual images if you want to really zoom into your particular country, and you can see the different months of the year, the January, February. And so once again, is there certain times of year where your country is more likely to see rain? Is there certain times of year where you're more likely to see drought? And it's just a friendly reminder. In this case, we have greens and reds, or where we have higher precipitation, and yellows. And then the blues, in this case, and white areas are showing the absence of precipitation.